Welcome, dear student. Today, in this lecture, we will discuss about wireless local loop technology. In previous lecture, we have discussed or study about the cellular telephone system. So, what is WLL? Means wireless local loop technology. The wireless local loop is a term for an access system that uses wireless link rather than conventional copper wires to connect subscribers to the local telephone company switch. The WLL is, you can say, the term for an access system that uses this wireless technology in the place for conventional copper wires to connect subscribers through the telephone company switch. Also, this process is known as fixed wireless access, or this type of system uses analog or digital radio technology to provide telephone and data services to business and residential subscribers. So also you can define this wireless local loop. The WLL or wireless local loop is the use of wireless communication link as the connection for delivering plain old telephone service, that is POTS, or internet access market available mark under the term broadband to telecommunications customers. The wireless local loop is a protocol used to connect a user to public switch telecommunication network, that is PSTN, or broadband internet using radio frequency signals, RF signals. So what is the need of WLL? In the rapid growth of the internet has created greater demand for broadband internet and computer access from business and residential throughout the world. This needs a single broadband internet connection that could provide all the telecommunication services. For example, telephone, television, the radio, internet, etc. for home or business customers. The wireless local loop network is extremely well suited for the broadband applications. Therefore, this wireless local loop network is very important for broadband internet applications. Therefore, there is a need of wireless local loop network for broadband internet applications. Now, wireless local loop with the communication for these WLL point to point microwave platforms, fixed wireless communication. Now see, the WLL system provide rapid deployment of basics. The phone service in area where the telecommunications development makes installation of traditional wireline service too expensive. The wireless local loop system can be easily integrated into a wireline public switch telephone network, that is PSTN, and can usually be deployed within a month of equipment delivery, far more quickly than traditional wireless installations, which can take several months for initial deployment and years to grow capacity to meet up the demand for communication services. So the fixed subscribers unit with interface, platform channel, coding, decoding in some type of commercial products. These are the some fixed subscribers unit. This is the overview diagram for fixed subscriber unit servicing multiple subscribers. So what is the need of the WLL or wireless local loop? The rapid growth of the internet, the rapid growth of the internet has created great demand for broadband internet and computer access from business and residential throughout the world. This needs a single broadband internet connection that could provide all the telecommunication services. For example, telephone, television, radio, internet, etc. For some or business customers, the wireless local loop network is extremely well suited for the broadband applications. Therefore, the wireless local loop network is very important for broadband internet applications. These are the need as we have discussed few time ago, because it is very much important to know what is the need of this wireless local loop. Now let us discuss some features for WLL system. It should have a better quality of service, compatible with other cellular technologies, scalability. These are the some features. So these are the some points with base station switching center. Here the BSC controls one or more BTS and provides interface to the local exchange switch in the central office. You can see in previous diagram. Okay. So this transcode between the source code used in wire network and that at the air interface. Then BSC means the base station switching center is also called the radio port control unit or the transcoding and network interface unit. So WLL system provide rapid deployment of basis phone service in area where the telecommunication deployment makes installation of traditional wireline service too much expensive. Now the wireless local loop solution include analog system for medium to low density, and rural applications. For high density high growth urban and suburban locations. There are wireless local loop solutions based on the CDMA, that is code division multiple access. Then TDMA, time division multiple access, and GSM, global system for mobile. These telecommunication systems are also offered. In addition, with this, able to provide higher voice quality than analog systems. Digital wireless local loop system can support higher speed fax and data services. So, in front of these short points, you can see the low cost, short construction periods, high traffic volume. This point should be considered. So the WLL technology is also generally compatible with existing operations support systems, that is OSS, as well as existing transmission and distribution systems. The wireless local loop system are scalable, enabling operators to leverage their previous infrastructure investment as the system grows. Now, the WLL subscriber receive phone service through a radio unit linked to the public switch telephone network through local base station. The radio unit consists of trans receiver, power supply, and antenna. It operates off AC or DC power. May be mounted indoor or outdoors and usually includes battery backup for use during line power outages. On the customer side, the radio unit connects to the premises wiring, enabling customers to use existing phones, modems, fax machines, and answering devices. The WLL subscribers or wireless local loop subscribers can access the all usual voice and data features such as caller ID, call forwarding, call waiting, three-way calling, and distinctive ringing. Some radio units provide multiple channels which are equivalent to having multiple lines. The radio unit offers service operators the advantage of over the air programming and activation to minimize service calls and network management cost. So these are some points. Now the personal communication service, you can say the PCS is related with RF protocols. The purpose offer low mobility wireless service using low power antennas and lightweight expensive handset. PCN mostly in primary seen as a city communication system with far less range than the cellular system. For The radio unit contains a coding and decoding unit that converts the conventional speech into a digital format during voice transmission and back into a non-digital format for reception. For operators, the high quality voice reproduction service, not the capacity of network nor the coverage area of a cell site. Next point, these are the some overview points. The wireless local loop overs a wireless system, means wireline system. Or you can say what are the advantage of WLL over a wireline system. Okay, so let us discuss with this point. In general, the wireless local loop is cheaper and quicker than copper wire connectivity, as the cost of copper rises over time, and so does the cost of this is increases. This is likely to become an ever more significant advantage. With the traditional wireline network, the cost of the wireline network would amount to a portion of the total cost of putting up the network. This would be particularly true in remote locations with few subscribers or in difficult area. It is this part of the cost that the wireless local loop significantly reduces. The cost of wireless local loop works in its favors. Wireless local loop is also a more suitable technology for a quick rollout of a network, as it bypasses the copper wires. This is a significant factor in crowded urban localities where permission for this may be almost impossible to get. Another major advantage of using a radio link for the last mile is that it considerably reduces the number of faults. Close to 90% of all basic telephone faults occur in the last mile part of the network, with radio link replacing the wires. These faults become almost negligible. So these are the some points, advantages of WLL over a wireline system. Okay, now these are the some advantages you can see in short. So let us discuss again some what are the major wireless access technologies. FDMA, there are various technologies like frequency division multiple access, that is FDMA, then TDMA, that is time division multiple access, and CDMA, code division multiple access, used for this WLL system. The one that is being used in India is a CDMA, that is code division multiple access. This technique used in our Indian country. This is a full of cellular mobile technology. In fact, it is the most demand technology for mobile phone service in country like the US and in Korea. Okay, so if now the question comes in our mind, if WLL is based on cellular technology, then why are we talking of limited mobility? So this is a case of regulatory restriction getting confused with a technology limitations. The government policy in India has down that fixed line operators will also be allowed to use WLL technology to offer mobility within a single billing area, or what is technically called a short distance calling area, broadly equivalent to a single town or for the city. However, they will not be allowed to offer mobile services with roaming facilities. This is of the government, not a limitation for CDMA techniques, means code division multiple access. So these are the some factors or points related with wireless local loop technologies.